Coordinates. In today's lesson, we will be looking at coordinates. Okay, so coordinates are plotted on an axis like this, and you normally have a number where you have two numbers, an X number and a Y number. So let's just write this down. For example, you might have something like 4, 3. You can have 2, 7. You can have -1, 7. You could have -5, -4. You could have -2, 9. Okay. So these are all examples of coordinates. Okay. The first number always represents X and the second number always represents Y, and that's the case in each one. And it's really important that you plot the numbers the correct way around. So 2, 7. So 2 represents the X and 7 represents the Y. Okay, so let's have a look at plotting these coordinates here that I've just written. So the first one we've got is 4, 3. So look at your X-axis. The X-axis is always this one here that's in the middle. Okay, and then the Y is the one that's always going down. Okay, so we need to go 4, 3. So on your X-axis, find the number 4 and go to 3, and you just put a little dot there. Sometimes you can have a cross or a dot. It's entirely up to you, whatever you like to do. The next one is 2, 7. So remember, X is 2, Y is 7. So on your X-axis, go to 2 and up to 7, and again, a cross or a dot, whatever suits you best. The next one, I've included a negative because you can have negative coordinates. The first two, which was 4, 3 and 2, 7, were both positive. Now we've got a negative in here. We've got -1, 7. So again, we're still on the X-axis, but we go to the number -1, and then you go 7 is positive 7. So again, a dot or a cross, whatever suits you best. Okay. Let's have a look at -5, -4 then. So these are both negatives. So remember, sometimes if you wish, you could write X and Y there, just so you know that that's the X coordinate, that's the Y coordinate. So on your X-axis, go to -5 and then down to the Y-axis, which is -4. And there we are. And then the next one is -2, 9. Okay, oh, and 9 will be there. And again, a cross or a dot, whatever suits you best. So these are coordinates which are used to help you plot straight line graphs. You will need to know coordinates when plotting the gradient of a line or working out the gradient. So these are really important to know that you do this the right way. Just a little heads up, if you had something like 3, 5, again, the most common mistake would be to do this there. That would be incorrect because again, that's the X and that's the Y. Okay, I've switched it over. I've done 5, 3. So make sure you do it correctly. This would be 3 and up to 5, and that would be correct. Okay, so that one here is incorrect. Make sure you do it the correct way. Otherwise, whatever you are working out or plotting would be incorrect. This was a quick recap about coordinates, showing you how to plot coordinates. Thank you for watching.